Superior Essex resources are just a few clicks away. Are you searching for a brochure, line card, technical guide, or any of our case studies? Well, they are within easy reach. Click the Resources section and select Resources Overview. Once on this page, navigate one of two ways, by selecting a category or using the search tool. Select Category. Let's choose a case study. Some of our resources are translated in Spanish and French. For this one, let's leave it empty. Now you have the selection of case studies. Let's choose Perkins and Will. Hit download. And voila! There's the case study fully available for use. Now let's try another search. First, hit the refresh button as it saves my last query each time. Here we're back to the main page. Let's search using the search tool. Here at the search bar, let's type line card. As you can see, the line card is translated into English, Spanish, and French. Within this search query, let's return to the language section and narrow to showcase only the French version. Let's return to the original search area. If you are unsure of your search, simply expose the field of categories, and once you find a resource that fits within your search idea, select it. You can continue narrowing your query by using a combination of category field, language field, or search query. Singularly through the category field or search tool, the resources are at your fingertips. Another handy tip: you can search for any of our resources or search our entire site from our homepage using the search tool at the top of the page. Happy searching, and thank you for watching.